Hello and welcome to this tutorial where we'll go through how to play Unreal Engine game in your browser on your home network. We'll be exporting the game to HTML5, and the first thing you need to know is that the version of the Unreal Engine can be no later than 4.23. It does limit the tools you have, but there is no other way to currently export to HTML5. To follow this tutorial, you need to have a game ready. You need to have Windows Server 2022. I'll be using Oracle VirtualBox, so a virtual machine. You don't have to do that, but this is what I will be doing and going through. Optionally, you can install Visual Studio Code. It does make it a little easier to follow the tutorial. And you need to have a device ready to test this on. First, I've installed a virtual machine. I will not be going through how to do this in this tutorial. There's a ton of tutorials for how to install Windows Server 2022 on Oracle VirtualBox. But one thing I will show is how to connect to the network we need to connect to. That is by going up to Settings, go to Network, go to Bridged Adapter, and click OK. This enables us to properly connect to a home network and share the game across the network. Okay, and first things first. Yes, we will wait for you. We don't need this right now. We will go to Ethernet settings. Change adapter options. Right click and go to properties. Right click on IPv4. No, sorry, don't click it. Use the following IP address. Okay, so for a moment we're going to leave the VM real quick. I'll minimize it. So now I'm on my host PC, and I will go click command and IP config. And what I need is this default gateway. That's the address for my router. So I need to remember this number. I'm going to take a screenshot of it real quick. Make it a little easier. Minimize this for a moment. So we need to assign an IP address to this virtual machine. And it can't be 1 because that's the address of my router. It can be 47 because that's the address of my host PC. So it needs to be something else. And if you don't understand everything that's going on right now, it's totally okay. Just don't pick 1 and don't pick something that's on another device is using. You'll be able to see that in your router settings. For this, I will just pick 12 and hope there's not another device using this. The default gateway, remember that's the router. I have connected the one that's routing everything on my home network. There you go. And 8888, that's pointing to Google. Okay. So to test this, see if it works. Now I'm still in the virtual machine. I'm going to ping to my host PC, basically telling it hello. Yeah. and it's working. So I'm on my home network. Again, if you don't understand all of this, it's totally okay. You're welcome to ask in the comments if you have any questions about this, and I'll try to do my best to explain it. Now we're gonna go to the server manager. Go up to the top right corner, manage app roles and features. And click Web Server IIS. Add features. Next. And next. Next. Install and just wait for it to install now. Now IIS is installed, we'll go find it in Tools. And there we go. And I'm gonna, just for easier use, I'm going to I have it pinned. There we go. I'm gonna pin it to the taskbar. Now I'm gonna go make a new site. So I'm going to name it intranet site, because that's what we're making. I need to give it a physical path, so let's make one real quick. We need the C drive. And you can name this whatever you want. This is going to be the path where we have all the website files. Now we're going to go assign an address to it. There we go. Now we want some files in a path, and I already have some ready. I have an index file. I'm just gonna copy paste over. Then I'm gonna open it so you can see. There. This is just saying welcome to the tutorial, so it's just a really basic homepage. So let's see if we can see it up here. Welcome to the tutorial. I'm gonna go back to the double click on intranet, go to MIME types, add, so what I'm doing now is I want the IIS to recognize some files that will be compiled from the Unreal Engine project. So it's some of the files it will have to read. otherwise we won't be able to oh, that's right, I already did this. I'm just gonna type it in anyway so you can see it. Go. Data. And now we're ready to package our Unreal Engine project. You don't have to do a lot. Go to project settings and maps and make sure you have the right startup map for when you start your game. You go to File, Package Project, HTML5. And if you don't see HTML5, it's on. You probably have the wrong version of Unreal Engine. So package it and move the files to your Windows Server 2022. Now the game is packaged and uploaded to the server. So I will move the game files to my intranet path. The game file should look something like this. Now we open the data.js file. You have two paths you need to change. Let's see, just to make it more clear. It's these two. And you will obviously have to change your names to match your files. You won't have the same paths as me. So it will be to the whatever IP address you chose and folder, subfolder and folder. I'm putting my game in a folder called game, so I put it right here. Yeah, I forgot to make that. I'm going to rename this game so it matches the path right here and here. Okay, save that. Exit. Let's see if it works now. Oh. Okay, now I'm gonna test and see if it works. So I'm going to press the exe file that opens the server port. Alright, so we can't test it on the Windows server because webGL, which is the project the game is based on, is not supported on Windows server, but we can host from it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my host PC, go back to this, still have it up and running. I'm gonna now it works. Yay!